Let's be honest. 2020 has been a tough year for the media industry. The coronavirus pandemic has forced people to work from home, it's disrupted revenue streams and is causing staff burnout. At the next Newsrewired conference starting on the 1st of December 2020, we won't look back at the problems that 2020 have given us, but look forward to setting you up for 2021. To give you a sense of what's coming up, here are a few of our speakers.
Newsrewired for me has always been a good indicator of where our sector is, from keynotes to blitz talks, from workshops to networking. My first Newsrewired event took place in 2011, and I can't imagine our sector and my career without it.
I love social news videos because it's an entirely different way of telling stories and sharing information. People relate to people, and seeing another person makes it easier to understand a complex topic or issue that doesn't directly affect them. I'm looking forward to connecting with other journalists at Newsrewired and learning from and working with them to explore new ways of storytelling, especially in the post-pandemic world.
Well, my partner Tim Griggs and I will discuss the hallmarks of sustainability and how to get more agile and dynamic. We'll talk about how to identify near-term opportunities for increasing and diversifying your revenue streams. Sustainability in all its component parts is really the most important thing, because without it, we don't get to do what we all want to do, which is quality journalism.
Join us for 4 days of expert workshops and panel discussions on the 1st of December 2020. Head over to newsrewired.com for the agenda and ticket information, and I look forward to seeing you there.